Wolf Financials is having a massive giveaway, so make sure to stay tuned to know exactly how to qualify. Wolf Financials, a financial ecosystem to grow, manage and preserve wealth. The unique crypto project with the most innovative decentralized financial ecosystem that's going to revolutionize the blockchain space. The ULFX ICO will serve as the first step to your new financial future. Innovative DeFi platforms. Wolf Financial is seeking to become a bridge from the old financial system to the new crypto economy. With multiple innovative yield-generating blockchain platforms already built and more currently under construction, the ecosystem that's going to revolutionize the blockchain landscape is ready. Yield farming, liquidity pools, staking. Africa's biggest centralized exchange. ULFX is the powerhouse centralized exchange in the Wolf Financial ecosystem, offering users access to the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world with an easy-to-use interface, secure framework, and lightning-fast transactional throughput. And the Wolf Pay card. The future of payment solutions. Wolf Pay card is designed to work alongside your wallet. Seamless conversions from crypto to global fiat currencies. Now everyone who buys more than $250 worth of coins in the pre-sale qualify and might get the Wolf Pay card for free. But let's get to the giveaway. How does it work? Everyone who uses the link down in the description for Liebachs and buy coins on the pre-sale that's happening on Liebachs will qualify to double their coins they've bought. Wolf Financial and Extreme Crypto is working together to bring more to the community. Everyone who signed up underneath Extreme Crypto and bought some coins qualify for the daily draw. This draw, if it falls on your name, will double your coins up to the amount of 5,000 coins maximum. The opportunity is endless. Have you bought some coins yet? Have you signed up to Liebachs to see the pre-sale yet? Make sure not to miss out on this opportunity. Have a good one and enjoy the extreme crypto gains right after you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a good one.